Well, I work as a researcher at the Institute of Cultural Heritage in Rome, and specifically, I am an Assyriologist. As you can see from the title of my presentation, I'm going to talk about ancient Near Eastern studies and the digital turn that is currently taking place in them. In fact, it is clear that our research focused on the ancient Near East is experiencing an exciting phase. These are again pioneering times. This brings me to the reason for this meeting today. Our expertise, activity, and experience may be of interest to you, just as your projects, skills, and dreams may be of interest to us. In this map, you see the ancient Near East, with its main areas, including Mesopotamia, the Levant, and Anatolia. You also see the archaeological sites, the main archaeological sites, including those important to Assyriologists. They are Uruk, Babylon, Nineveh, Mari, Ebla, Ugarit, Kanesh, and Hattusha. Great capitals of the Sumerian, Babylonian, Assyrian, and Hittite civilizations. But what is Assyriology? Here you can read a good definition of this scholarly discipline. Basically, we study the cuneiform texts. There are very many, hundreds of thousands, so that we need many scholars. How many we Assyriologists are? You see that we are few in number, even though we are scattered all over the world. Actually, we are a part of a larger scientific community investigating the ancient Near East. Personally, I belong to the Ancient Near East group of the Institute of Cultural Heritage, which you see here. My colleagues are philologists and archaeologists who study scientific fields complementary to mine. Importantly, we all have fruitful relations with many scientific institutions, both from Italy and abroad. Here you can read what our research focuses on. The interdisciplinary approach is very important for us. You also see that we pay attention to the use of innovative technologies, both in philological and archaeological investigations. All these data are available in our website. Now, why do I show you this slide concerning sports, dance, and music? Although sport, art, and science are not the same thing, they have, nonetheless, one aspect in common. Great results can be achieved by working as a team. Of course, you must know well the art of using the ball or your body or your musical instrument in the best way, sure. But as in sport and art, also in ancient Near Eastern studies, it is crucial to be a good musician in a good orchestra. Now, something about the ongoing digital turn in ancient Near Eastern studies. It started some 20 years ago with, for example, very refined chemical analysis of cuneiform tablets. You see an example here with an Amarna tablet. Soon after, innovative digital technologies opened up new research perspectives on ancient cultures. See here, for example, how a rock monument can be presently investigated. This slide shows that to study a cuneiform tablet, two approaches coexist they quite fruitfully. The traditional one with pen and paper, and the innovative one using digitally controlled machines. Sometimes the machine has powers beyond those of man, as in the case we see with this complex digital reconstruction of a tablet broken into many fragments. I end my presentation talking about my specific activity as an Assyriologist of the Institute of Cultural Heritage. Here you see the tablets that I know best. They are the Ebla tablets, which can be dated to the late 24th century BC. You see on the left the archive under excavation, and on the right one tablet cleaned and copied for publication. This is our job. Here you see a page of an Assyriological article I wrote recently as a member of a scientific project funded by the Italian Ministry of University and Research. In this project, I am currently working together with a young scholar. She uses a very interesting, innovative approach called social network analysis, a result of which is shown in this slide. Now to finish, presently, the most innovative digital technologies and the most innovative conceptual approaches are really the main opportunities for younger scholars. I truly hope that your skills and dreams can meet the community of scholars working on the ancient Near East at the CNR Institute of Heritage Science. I thank you for your attention.